Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. The coin change problem is a classic dynamic programming problem where the goal is to find the number of ways to make change for a given amount using a given set of coin denominations. In this tutorial, we'll focus on finding all possible combinations of coins that can be used to make the change. Let's create a Python script that solves the coin change problem using dynamic programming and prints all combinations. This script defines a function coin_change_combinations that takes a list of coin denominations, coins, and a target amount. It uses dynamic programming to compute the number of combinations for each subproblem and then uses a helper function find_combinations to backtrack and find all possible combinations. In the main function, an example is provided with coin denominations 1, 2, 5 and a target amount of 5. The script then prints all possible combinations of coins to make change for the given amount. ChatGPT.